The best time to plant maple trees. Planting trees is the best way to add the bones to your landscape. Maples are a popular landscape choice for their fall color. Useful in the home or commercial landscapes, they provide shade, serve as windbreaks, clean the air and provide wildlife habitat. Ways they are sold. There are 3 main ways to buy maples: bulb and burlap BB, container potted or bare root. Container type, or lack of container in the case of bare root maples, determines when you plant. Best time for bulb and burlapped maples. Bulb and burlapped maples are cut from the ground and have reduced root balls. Plant them before spring top growth begins. Late winter February through early spring March, April are the best months. Planting early in fall is acceptable because leaf and shoot growth has slowed. Best time for field potted maples. Field potted maples are field grown, then dug up and containerized for sale, usually in spring. Plant maples potted in field soil immediately. The soil in the container will not support good growth. Best time for container-grown maples. Since there is little root disturbance, maples that are entirely container-grown can be planted spring through early fall. The best time is while the plant is still dormant, because roots grow into the surrounding soil slowly. The slow root growth will not support rapid spring leaf and shoot growth. Best time for bare root maples. Plant bare root maples during dormancy so roots become established before top growth starts. Late winter through early spring is best depending on your climate. Use Nation Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration freeze/frost maps to determine the last frost date for your area.